Hey everyone, it's Alyssa with Modern Singer. I want to start out with a full disclaimer. We here at Modern Singer are not accountants. These are simply things that have helped us and other colleagues prepare for tax season. It's easy for the creative types to dislike or even avoid the details that get in the way of our creative process. So, why is it important to keep track of our finances as artists? We are private, small business owners. You happen to be the CEO of Your Awesome Voice Incorporated. This also means we have to be diligent about keeping records of our expenses so we don't get duped out of our hard-earned paychecks come tax time. That Chanel lipstick that makes you feel like a rock star and helps you nail all of your auditions is an investment you can't make when your nickels and dimes are reduced to pennies. Many companies and organizations that are hiring are nonprofit. As a result, they usually ask their singers to fill out a W-9 form and receive a check from the organization that has not been taxed. However, this does not mean you won't have to pay taxes on that money in the future. So, to keep as much money in your pocket as you can, here are some tips. Save your receipts. Saving receipts from your gigs helps significantly with write-offs when doing your taxes. We suggest separating your receipts into categories such as travel, food, and any other categories you may find helpful that are placed into bags and then into a dated manila folder labeled with the name of the gig. Make sure to also include any copies of forms you are asked to sign, including contracts, tax forms, accident reports, and anything else, so the information is all in one place. A few things you might be able to write off are food and meals purchased, gifts purchased for your colleagues, any purchases used solely for the gig, and travel expenses. Note: if you are given a travel stipend or per diem for food, those expenses are not write-offs. Track your mileage for auditions and gigs. If you drive, rent cars, fly, or do any traveling for your auditions, keep track of it. You're able to write a number of these things off as business expenses. Keep receipts for any purchases related to your business. That $20 receipt for tabs and highlighters for your scores counts as a business purchase. The La Traviata score you had to replace that you meticulously tabbed and highlighted after your water bottle decided to open itself in your bag? Yeah, that counts too. Save all your records of forms and contracts. You have all of this stuff saved. Now what? Organize it, organize it, organize it. It's very easy to save a receipt and then forget its purpose, and as a result, it becomes a bookmark in that one book you bought for that thing you don't read anymore. We have found keeping either an envelope marked clearly with the name of the gig or a plastic sandwich bag works wonders when you're on the go. For mileage tracking, simply write the mileage in your planner on the date you traveled. That means you also have the name of the gig as well as the date, so you can transfer that information to your envelope when you organize your paperwork every month or so. We know this sounds like a lot, but it makes your accountant and you smile come tax time. What are your favorite ways to keep your tax documents lined up? Have any favorite tips and tricks? Let us know in the comments below.
We hope this information helps you build your career and have fun doing it. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can continue making videos to help you. If you have any questions about this video or other topics, leave them in the comments below.